are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I'm...
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. To my new subscriber, a special welcome to you all. Today I'm going to bring you this very simple card wallet, and it comes with 3 pockets where you can store cards in, and you also store your cash in there as well as your change. So what you will need for this tutorial, you're going to be ironing on your inner facing. Before we iron on, we're going to be marking this. So let's go ahead and mark this, and we're going to put a curve at the corner of the interfacing first before we iron it on there. So just get something curvy and mark that. So I'm going to fold that over, and I'm going to cut that out. Okay. And so it should now look like that. We're gonna put that on the opposite side. This is obviously solid color, so you can't tell which is the front or which is the back, but you put it on the back of the fabric and then lay it down, and you're gonna be ironing that on. Let's put that aside. This one here, and this is gonna be for the front of the wallet right here, the wrong side of the fabric. We're gonna be folding this in half. We can mark it, and then we open it up, and then we're gonna put our inner facing right at the top of that line that we fold. We're going to take it to the iron, and we're going to iron this on here. And this one here that we iron on, you need to fold it in the opposite side, fold in half like that. Okay, because we're going to be sewing this together. So the next step is we're going to bring our lining, which is our inside, the inside of our fabric, and we're going to put that on top of this. Can make sure it's right side. Both fabric needs to be right side touching each other. You're gonna mark these and leave a gap, a 5 centimeters gap. You're gonna leave a gap as well at the side here, 5 centimeters gap as well. Pin that in place, and then you're gonna go to your machine. So the mark, we go all the way around and up, and then on the other side mark all the way across and then up, and then we leave that gap right there. And the same thing with this place that we mark, we start from right there, okay, and we're going to go all the way down, across, all the way around, and follow interfacing all the way around, come down, and then stop at that line again, and then leave that gap right here. Go ahead and cut these corners. Go ahead and flip it inside out. So now you're gonna take this to the iron and iron this out. Okay, once you finish ironing it out, we're gonna go to the machine, and the gap that we had, we're gonna lock that in, okay? And we're gonna sew at the top there, and then the bottom here. All right, you should have the top and the bottom sewn. Let's go ahead, and we are going to be folding this up like this. The same section that we sewn, that's the area that you want to fold up, okay? 1 centimeter space at the top there. Just press down on that so we can mark it. And then just go ahead and draw that line, reinforce that line. And then from this side, here, I'm gonna push in, and we're gonna measure 1.5 centimeters. Mark 1.5 centimeter, and then the other side, we're gonna mark 1.5 centimeters as well. I'm gonna take that, and we're gonna mark it all the way down touching that line that we made already at the bottom. So go all the way down and stop at that line that we marked. Do the same thing for the other side. And so it should now look like that. It should now have a line that comes down, touching that line that we mark, and then another one coming down, touching that line that we mark. And so we're gonna get our outer fabric this side. This is the lining. So you don't put it on the lining, we're gonna put it on the front section, okay? And then you're gonna lay it down, and about 1.5 centimeters from the top, we're gonna place it down and pin that down. Then we're gonna go to the machine and we're gonna sew, starting right here at the top, coming all the way down that line, stop and go across, and stop right there, and then go up that line again. You should now have it sewn on there. Should now look like that. Okay, and we're gonna take this end here and fold that up, pin that in place, and then you're gonna move this, flip this downwards, down, right? And then you're gonna be sewing from the top. Be sewing from the top of this corner here, start right here, and then go all the way down and stop right there. And then you're gonna do the same thing for the other side as well. I'm gonna fold this over, make sure you're not sewing the bottom piece, make sure that's out of the way. And then you're gonna go to machine, and then you're gonna sew starting from the top here all the way down here, okay? On both of these. Okay, you should now have it sewn on there. Both of them should be now locked in. Next step is we're gonna fold this up, and you can pin that in place. We're gonna go to the machine and we're gonna sew all the way up, going all the way around, and coming back down, and then stopping at the end there. All right, you should now have it sewn. Should now look like that. And now we're going to be putting our buttons in place, and then we are finished. Let's fold the top in half so we can get the center. And then about 1.5 centimeters down, I'll be marking that, putting our buttons in there. And then there's my mark right here. And go ahead and put your button on, and then we're finished. Now it's finished. You should now have your buttons in place. Love it. It's beautiful. Okay, you should have now 3 pockets, 3 compartments. Beautiful, y'all. That's it for our tutorial. Thank you all so much for watching. Thumbs up this video, and also check my Etsy shop. It's available now for anyone that want to purchase my product. I will have a link in the description box below for those that want to purchase my product. And thank you all so much for watching, and you will definitely see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.